Hello! Doktora Fashionista here! Kumusta kayo dyan? How are you? Oh, Bisaya man. Kumusta lang gihapon? Anyway, ano yung sasabihin ko? Toy. I have 10 subscribers for today. So because of that, I'm going to do some unboxing of my birthday present. And I have here a Nikai stand mixer. Hindi to sponsor ha. Pero pag mag-sponsor sila in the future, I'm gonna take the chance. Okay, so let's start from the features niya. Ta-da-da! Siguro maganda to, heavy duty, oh, 1,200 watts. 6 liters, tapos ang speed niya is hanggang 6. And then we have 3 mixing tools, planetary motion mixing process, ang arte-arte ko, anti-slip, ano siya, metallic spray finish, and it's 220 to 240 volts. Okay, wag ilagay sa 110 kaya hindi ito gagalaw lagi. Here we go! Excited na ba kayo? Ako, excited din ako masyado, no? Kasi one of the things that I love most to do is baking. Sige, da-da-da-dan! Hi! Extra cover. Oh, meron pa. I think this is the instruction now. Instruction manual. Meron din siyang warranty certificate. Pero sana after 100 years pa siya masira para hindi ko siya kailangan. There you go. Okay. So, meron siyang instruction dito. Instruction manual eh. So, instruction talagang meron. At saka yung parts ng mixer natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lang. Eh, 7 ang anak ko, so may kulang to. Alam ko walang connection. Anyway, the rest of this, kasi teamwork kami ng asawa ko, sa trabaho niya is, siya magbabasa ng instruction, tapos ibibigay niya sa akin yung instruction. Ganon ang patakaran namin dito sa bahay. Siya yung magpakahirap magbasa. Yung makarating sa akin, kasi ako yung manager, so parang yung mga madali na lang gagawin. Okay, so let's start removing the stuff. Okay, you know why I'm jumping? I'm on a trampoline kasi I'm kind of short with my height. Hindi ko abot yung table at saka yung box. Okay, now here we go. I think we call this as the steering knife. Ay, knife daw, so sharp siya. Ingat-ingat. Tada! It's not sharp actually. So, gaganon ito siya. Cute siya, diba? Peace sign. Tada! Okay. Let's continue. Parang heavy. Okay, let's take the parts one by one. I have here a plastic thingy. A long plastic thingy. Oh, I assume this is a cover. So, probably you will put the ingredients here, through here. Okay. This is kind of heavy for me to lift. I have to call my husband for this. Swiss! Ako, mas malaki ang braso ko sa asawa ko, pero hindi ko to carry or natatakot akong i-lift siya. Dad! Come! Oh, mag-undress naman tayo. Tapos na tayo sa unboxing, mag-undress naman tayo. Cheers. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Beautiful. Let me drop this to the floor. Okay, so I have the other hook here. What do you mean by hook? Hook bang tawag dito? Okay, this is the other mixing tool. This is the hook. This is how Captain Hook. Okay, pero ito sa tinapay lang ha. Huwag nyo ito gamitin sa mga masamang balak sa buhay. And, ano nga ito? This is what you call the... Ano ba ito? Number 3, alligator kettle. This is the alligator kettle. But it doesn't look like an alligator. So, I don't know what's the origin and the story behind the name of this alligator. Alligator kettle. Okay? This is the alligator kettle. So, I don't know what's the origin or the story behind the name of this because it doesn't look like an alligator. It looks like a bowl to me or a planggana. Okay, so we have here the head knob. This is for the adjustment to lift this up. There you go. Now, this is the whisk. Usually we use this to make the icing or the butter of the cake. And siya. Then this is also the knob that we use to push this down. Push it a little bit like this, and there we go. This is the adjustment knob or the speed. No. This is the speed knob. It's from 1 till 6. 6, parang masyado na siyang malakas, no? Baka magtalsika na yan. I think you can only use it up to 4. Okay na yun siya. What else? Should we give it a try? No, wait. Let's check this one, how we should change the mixing tool. So, we need to kind of push this. Push this up. And push up, twist, and bring it down. Okay, you see, we have 2 notches here. And you see this part here. Okay, so we just have to find the area where we can put this. Push hard and twist. And there you go. It's ready. There you go. Now we are set to try this one. Okay, try natin. Let's give this a try. There you go. This is one.
Paikot-ikot. Well, umiikot to. Igilin-gilin din natin mga bewang. Para naman ng konti. Okay, let's try the 2. Oh. Para siyang planet. Umiikot sa sun. Number 3. 4. Parang natatakot ako sa tunog niya. But anyway, let's try until 6. Because this is 5. And 6. Let's go back.
So friends, from testing it, I think it's fine. It looks good, but we will know for sure if this is really like it fits to a baker's kind of thing to use in the kitchen. You know what I mean? The one that gives us convenience, comfort, and art. Okay? Don't forget, kung umiikot yung mga mixing tools natin, isabay natin. Igiling-giling ang mga bewang para hindi lumaki kundi lumiit. See you next